In this section, we will look at the duties that a trustee bears in terms of upkeeping the common property. The tasks related to preserving the common property involve a series of responsibilities aimed at ensuring the shared spaces of our sectional title scheme remain in a well maintained and optimal state.
The key responsibilities involved in effectively managing the common areas of our sectional title scheme are as follows: ensuring the common property remains well maintained and in good condition, planning and executing regular maintenance tasks, managing repairs and improvements, budgeting for maintenance expenses, engaging and overseeing service providers, and ensuring compliance with relevant laws and regulations. Firstly, as trustees, it is our duty to ensure the common property is well maintained. This entails regular inspections, identifying areas that require attention, and taking appropriate action to address any maintenance needs promptly. By proactively monitoring the condition of our common areas, we can prevent small issues from escalating into larger problems. To effectively manage the maintenance of our common property, we must plan and execute regular maintenance tasks. This includes activities such as cleaning and upkeep of common areas like lobbies, hallways, gardens, and parking lots. Additionally, it involves the inspection and maintenance of security systems, such as access control and CCTV cameras, to ensure the safety and security of our residents. Alongside regular maintenance, we must also manage repairs and improvements within our sectional title scheme. This includes promptly addressing reported maintenance issues, coordinating repairs for common property elements like roofs, gutters, and facades, and overseeing minor renovations or improvements to common areas. By managing repairs and improvements diligently, we can enhance the overall quality and value of our property. Budgeting for maintenance expenses is another vital aspect of this portfolio. Collaborating with fellow trustees, we need to create an annual maintenance budget that estimates and allocates funds for routine maintenance, repairs, and potential upgrades. By carefully considering our budgetary requirements and ensuring financial transparency, we can effectively address maintenance needs while maintaining the financial stability of our scheme. In carrying out our responsibilities, it is essential to engage and oversee service providers. This involves sourcing and vetting reliable contractors, negotiating service contracts, and monitoring their performance and compliance. By building strong relationships with trusted service providers, we can ensure that maintenance tasks are carried out efficiently and to the highest quality standards. Lastly, compliance with relevant laws and regulations is of utmost importance. Staying informed about applicable laws, regulations, and building codes allows us to ensure the common property adheres to safety and accessibility standards. Coordinating inspections, certifications, and maintaining necessary documentation helps us demonstrate compliance and address any potential issues proactively. In summary, the maintenance of the common property encompasses a range of responsibilities. By ensuring the common property remains well maintained, planning and executing regular maintenance tasks, managing repairs and improvements, budgeting for maintenance expenses, engaging and overseeing service providers, and ensuring compliance with relevant laws and regulations, we create a safe, pleasant, and valuable living environment for all residents within our sectional title scheme. This concludes this section. However, there is a lot more to learn about this and other topics. If you are interested in delving deeper, check out our other courses on our website.